these are the items we need for today's session. We're going to use our chalkboard as usual, chalk, the wet dry triso, our water, and 2 toilet paper balls. Then we're going to use pencil later with our paper. And after chalk, we'll do wiki sticks. These are also in your OT kit. Okay, so the letter R, we use a big line top to bottom. Then we do little curve, little line. So I'm going to start with wet. So top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. And I'm going to dry, top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. And I'll try. Top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. Going to wet it, squeeze your water out. Top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. Top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. Oh, I forgot to try. Top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. Wet. Dry. Try. There's our R. The next thing we're going to do is get our wiki sticks, and I'm actually going to erase this. I'm going to put it on my board, but you guys can put it wherever you like. So these are just wax covered sticks. Mine have melted a little to my package. Pull them out. Don't think they're quite tall enough, so I'm just going to put mine on the bottom line because I don't want to have a floating letter. I'm going to take out 3 wiki sticks because we have our first one was a big line, then we have a little curve and a little line. So we need 3 sticks. So I'm going to start. We start at the top, top to bottom, then we need a little curve. A little curve, we're going to do all the way to the top, and then we're going to curve it around. A nice curve. Then we're going to do a little line. My little line is too big, so I'm actually going to start it here, and then whatever is left over, I'm going to fold it over, okay? Then we're going to go ahead and trace it. We start at the top, top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. And this is a nice texture for your child to feel. It just adds another element of sensory. So the more sensory modalities we can use, the better we will remember how to do things. So it just helps with our muscle memory. All right, and the last part is going to be our writing. So we're going to try to stay inside of the shadow box. I'm going to trace my box a little bit so you can see the boundary better. And we're only going to bump the line. So our R should stay in the box. I will use a pencil. I'm going to do a top to bottom ribbit, little curve, little line. Top to bottom ribbit, little curve, little line. And see how I'm not lifting my pencil at all when I go from curve to little line? So we're going to try to keep it there. We're not going to lift. Now when we have our line on the bottom, we're going to do top to bottom, bump the bottom line, then ribbit up, curve, little line. Top to bottom, ribbit, little curve, little line. Go ahead and do these. And this is a rainbow. So if you would like to go back and use crayons to make it nice and rainbow, that would look really cool.